Now the mighty Wendigos will live again. I'm fucking myself by locking this door. I can tell by the wide shot. I'm gonna turn around. Oh my god. The fuck, dude! I don't like this at all.
We're so close, man.
Oh, we are.
We have to press on. We're almost there.
Good.
We're almost done with this nightmare.
It's 2 hours, dude. Still have like 2 more chapters. My heart can't take it. Aren't the girls following me? Like, they're gonna go through the same shit without a gun.
What's up with all these dead Wendigos around here?
What's with all these dead women around here? Oh, man. The game is, like, leading me to death.
I feel like it's been doing that the whole time. That's not your fault.
Oh, man. I just saw the thing. I don't want to do this. God. What the fuck kind of mountain is this? Like... Get off and lock.
They can't open doors, right?
I'm still gonna barricade it.
Okay. Good call.
I don't give a flying goddamn. There's one in there. See, it gave me enough time to climb down there gently.
Come on down. It's alright.
No. No.
Okey-dokey, bud. I'll catch you on the flip side, huh?
Puppy! I didn't name you, so...
It said butterfly effect update.
I had no control. I have no control over anything. Not even my life.
Oh, that had to hurt.
Oh.
That looked really painful.
It did. Fuck you! Goosh! Oh, now it opens?
Yep.
Like it's just magic.
And you probably killed the dog.
Oh. Wow! You're really gonna say that right now. What an asshole.
Come on, dude. Are you kidding me?
Oh. Fucking hand. Probably cool, but don't. Fuck you, man. God damn it. Like.
What? If I didn't say it, I would have held it inside and it would have hurt me more. I had to get it out there.
Oh,
shit.
Window Woman. It was a Wendigo that pulled her through a window. And now he's playing with her. Does she have a headlamp?
Yeah,
she has a
that's what it looks
jogger,
like.
so. Why would you want to go jogging through the goddamn woods? I'm so, like, on edge.
Yeah.
Like something could literally scare the shit out of me right now. Like,
Some good camera angles.
yeah, thank you, Resident Evil 1. Or Alone in the Dark.
It's just, well, it's just really good classic horror movie angles.
Yeah. What if I walk fast? Ah!
Yeah.
Now
Trying
it
to
looks
keep
like,
up.
Now it looks like we're on a subway.
You just hear a voice from up there. Can you slow down, please?
God damn it, I'm stuck! Oh, the camera guy's stuck. Hit it with your fist.
Oh. Shit. Mike must have locked it behind him. Crap. There's gotta be another
Yeah,
way.
for your own goddamn safety, because everything's on fire. Oh, let's go to the sewer.
Yeah, let's do it.
Hey.
There's nothing horrifying that ever happens in the sewer.
I mean, should we try it?
I am sweating bullets.
I'm gonna sneeze again.
Here.
Okay. I will let you. Bless you.
Thank you. It's my goal to sneeze at least once an episode.
It's a good goal because it could be achieved, but then again, I mean, he's sneezing a lot.
Okay, this is maybe the last place I would want to be right now.
Oh. Well, it smells like poop.
So who's going first?
After you.
Can I smell methane? I'm gonna light this cigarette.
Smoke him if you got him.
Good thing I found the cigar.
It's not so bad. You think this is the tunnel to the sanatorium?
Of course it is. Where else would it go?
God, that poor girl.
Yeah.
She's been beaten up. I feel so bad.
I feel if she makes it through this, like I feel like no amount of like anything could do any harm to her.
At least we know that that's fake blood
Right.
on her.
It still sucks because fake blood is sticky as shit.
Yeah, that is true.
Hey,
I
hey, we should close this, right?
yeah, we should.
I mean, what if something's following us?
Yes, fine. Close it.
I used it for Halloween. I dressed up as a zombie, and
Yeah.
I had the beard,
Yeah.
and I forgot that fake blood was like super duper shitty sticky.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, it's a double-edged sword every time, like, you lock a door or you move a thing. It's like, what if something's following us? What if we need to make a quick exit? Like, we don't know what's down there,
Yeah.
and we just came from over there, so it might not be following
You
us.
just have to hope and pray that there's an exit on the other side.
Yeah, I don't completely know what I would do in the situation where it's just, oh god, I need to lock this door. We might be there's a chance that we could be followed. Like, how are you gonna open that when you're on a ladder, like trying to like push it up and move it?
Who's there? Anybody?
Oh, Ashley, I don't want you to die. I'd feel bad. I'd feel.
Yeah,
I need to investigate. It might be Josh.
Okay. I would.
My life for Josh. Let's go.
This is fucking crazy.
Yeah, it is. Thank you for reiterating.
I feel like now it's make or break moment with Ashley.
Yeah. We just led her to a shithole.
Is that you?
Wendigo lair. I think that's what makes it tense, is like, we know we're putting these people in danger.
Right.
Where like a normal horror game is just like, you're going over here now and things are going to jump out, you have to fend them off.
The thing with other horror games is if you die, you get to restart.
Yeah.
We don't get to restart in this game.
That is the truth beyond truth. Puppy. Come on, puppy.
Oh my god!
Are you... No!
Was that just because we did...
Oh my god, it's because we opened that stupid fucking thing.
It's just because of that?
I guess so. I guess we fucked up.
Just because we wanted to investigate a shiny thing?
Fuck you, game developers.
That scared the bejesus out of me.
Yeah, it got me too.
Okay, when you guys go through there with the other two, do not open that.
Fuck that door.
It didn't give you a prompt or anything.
No, it didn't. There was no quick time event, no nothing.
Oh my god.
Oh, that makes me so mad.
Yeah, the poor girl was beaten up and...
Poor Ashley.
Again, they ripped her head off.
Yeah. There's always with the head ripping.
Yeah.
Oh, look, Josh. Fuck you, man. I killed someone trying to find you. Oh, mid-walk.
There's no way he's dead.
Oh,
No,
great.
he can't be dead. It's Josh.
Dead end.
Imagine if it just got to the point where it's like, okay, you fucked up so much, there's everyone dying.
Yeah.
Please don't finish this game.
They just blow up the mountains.
We'll finish it for you.
I'm gonna keep going.
Oh, man.
Get back to the lodge.
Shouldn't we stick together?
Sam.
You should stick together.
I'm sorry.
That's how Ashley died.
Alright, so now we have to be a little bit more
Just
cautious
make it back, okay?
with the shiny interactables.
Yeah.
You've done this before.
Yeah.
That's what killed Matt.
Always take the safe route.
Yeah. I feel like you'd have pseudo more time for that. At least there's no like button mashing, like mash triangle. Oh.
Come on.
If Hayden Panchetta bites it, I'm gonna quit this game.
Yeah, she has to live.
Do I have to start from the beginning?
That's what it looks like.
Get up there. Oh, shit. Come on, girl, you can do it.
No matter where you go, there's quick time events. So I feel like the shorter path would let us to less quick time events.
Fucking beat you.
Yeah. If we were to leap, it would be less quick time events, but we'd also have less time to do it.
We'd have a lot less time, yeah.
And maybe the safe route
Should I
gave us a chance to, like, mess up.
should I investigate the darkness?
Sure.
Oh, jump down.
No.
Oh, look, stairs.
Yeah, go up the stairs.
I'm going up the stairs. If they break, I fall through. Game over. Like, oh well, there was literally, I guess, only one path to choose. You can go through door, you can jump down, you can go upstairs. And I don't know what path I choose for this poor girl who just wanted to take a bath.
She has, yeah. She has to live.
Oh my god, that one snuck up on me. It was so tiny. Run away, run away, run away.
Oh, there's time to look at this.
Yeah. I wonder if I can fit this in my toilet. Sorry!
Whoa! That came out of left field!
Sometimes you gotta say what we're all thinking.
Okay. I know I was thinking of that. Everyone else was.
Oh, the flaming man.
Still alive.
Oh, not for long. No, hold on. I gotta get this right. I can't. Ooh.
Oh, I got nervous. I got nervous when you couldn't, like...
I couldn't go down.
Yeah.
I was like, no!
Yeah.
Oh.
Define all right.
Alive, for a start.
Yeah, life's good.
I like this good.
I just wanted to take a bath.
I'll warn you about the Wendigos.
I think I
How
got
about
it.
you, Mike?
Let's find a way down to where this fucker lives.
Oh, man.